Want to know exactly where your best leads are coming from and stop wasting money on marketing that doesn't work? Let's dive into how to create lead sources in Follow Up Boss. First, navigate to the admin section of your Follow Up Boss account by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then selecting Admin. On the left-hand side of the admin panel, you'll find a list of options. Click on the Lead Sources option. This page displays all of your existing lead sources. To create a new one, simply click the Add Lead Source button. Now, fill in the details for your new lead source. Give it a clear and descriptive name, like Facebook ads or Zillow. Then, choose the appropriate type from the drop-down menu. This could be online, referral, sign call, or any other applicable category. You can even add the average cost per lead, if you know it. The lead flow section is crucial here. You can define how leads from this source are routed to your team. Select the appropriate action plan or team members who should handle these leads. This is important for proper follow-up. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click the Save button at the bottom of the form, and that's it. Your new lead source is now created and ready to be used. You can now accurately track where your leads are coming from, analyze the performance of each source, and optimize your marketing efforts for maximum results. Get ready to see your conversion rates soar.